Oi, this is Trainee Trev's top tips, and he's the sharpest tool in the whole shed. Oh yeah, baby.
This one's a bit of an interesting one. The customer's getting tingles. I'll just check the main neutral there. That seems to be okay. I'm just going to take you up top and have a look. That appears to be his earth stake. Used to be read. I'll just join the mains together so we can go test it up with it. The mains box looks surprisingly good, given those cables a wriggle. Yeah, they actually look visually okay. Go test it. When it's apart like this is also time to check to see that you've got no mixed neutrals, which is good. So that means I can split up his circuits even more. He had 2 in his lighting, and had 3 over these 2 RCD. I don't know if you can see, that's where I made a neutral. It's actually soldered in behind there, in the actual conduit. So how the hell do I inspect that? Just removed a nice chunk of asbestos, still a bit left in there. Yeah, these are the old ones where meters used to swing on the outside and this board would just swing in the breeze. That's how these old ones are set up. Okay, 1, 2, 3 joins on that main, so sus on that straight up. So I'm actually probably going to piss those things off and redo this. This one's going into my main switch, but the way that it's set up is a bit weird. This is one of these ones with got a motor inside of it. That's like an LTE motor. It's here. But that's the off-peak, right? So what's the Zellweger doing here for? Because that's just virtually putting that in series with this. Just seemed bizarre to me. I wasn't happy with the mains, how they were joined, so I didn't label these 2. One of these is the obviously main switch, the main switch for the whole order. So I just got hooked up to neutral out on the board. See it go. If I can. Geez, it's hard to line up. Yep, and the other one should be clean. So we'll say that one there's our hot water. So end up doing a new hottie, new mains coming in. I had to extend the mains. I had another 2 joins in there, and coming in from my line side. Yeah, and the load side. So you like my little connectors? A bit better than what it was there, eh? Anyway, see one of these things? They're called a plain screw adapter. Whoever's installed the split system, they just brought it straight up in Cairo. You know, use them. They don't cost much. It has a much better finish. It heaps better, even if I did have to use 25mm introducers. Let's go. Let's put that sucker back in there. Get this board built. Okay, some progress. This is a 1mm circuit. It's a 3.6 kilowatt hot water. So I need to change that. It's my new earth put in. But I'm going to run that, put that conduit up there when I go do that. So I'll show you how I prep my boards. So I basically put this bus bar in before I do it and add my neutral tails in. So I can just pop this out. Start putting all the active neutrals in. Yeah, pretty basic. Let's get started. Ooh. Okay, 1 completed board. Still to do that oven, water circuit I should say. The oven didn't test well, but it's all there and all split up. It's got quite a few. Now I'm just going to do polarity in my mains. Got my main neutral out. But yeah, let's go do that. Really got me confused why it's got this off-peak meter, then goes through a Zellweger. Doesn't make sense. It's like having 2 in series. But he's got solar power here, so he should be heating up his hot water during the day, not night time. It says night rate. Which is off. Should be no voltage between neutral and earth. That's correct. You should get voltage between active and earth. Hang on, I'll just turn this bus bar on so I can get my leads in there. It's hard doing this one-handed. And yep, 230 on that one. So I just got to do my earth test and then polarity. There's a new earth stake in. It needs a label and paint. Look at this. I think I've found my broken earth wire. Sweet. I still got to clip up this one here too. But I've got to run another earth one here. But I reckon if I join that, I'll have an earth. Okay, rough and ready. Let's see if it works. Must have a bad earth here. Look at the light on it. Go to active earth. Active earth. 120 volts. It should have 230. So, you have to investigate a bit more. I used to check your connections. There's no power on one of these circuits. It didn't actually had a loose here. But yeah. Even I stuffed shit up.